Yeah.
So this time around, I'm have to get better with the bike. I want a good one in the middle.
Okay.
On the left, I can make it for sure. As long as you got enough momentum at that point where it's like up really high up.
Yeah. I was so fucking close to making it that time.
You definitely got to stay on. Like,
Oh yeah. I'm gonna stick with the same line. It's tough. I kind of like it because it's got the turns in it. It's kind of good for good practice.
oh yeah, definitely.
All right. All right. Last go. Third attempt.
Yeah, if they don't make it, then we're done.
We're done with this.
Another day.
Okay. Fair enough. All right, buddy. Let's do it this time.
Prop.
All right. Woo! Yeah, buddy! Woo! This one. Second gear right here. Wait. Yeah, buddy, good bike. Yeah, girl, love you. All right, Johnny, I'm gonna give you my subconscious mental telepathy from here. You can do it this time, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's got it. He's got momentum. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Yeah, buddy! Yeah!
Oh yeah!
That was the same line I took, bud. That was awesome. You came up the same spot.
I'm so pumped!
We did it.
That was awesome!